All right, so recently I sold a bunch of different clothing items that I wasn't wearing anymore, stuff that was just sitting in my closet, and I'm like, you know what? I'm never gonna wear that. It's time to either donate it, sell it, just get rid of it. Some of it was worth a good chunk of change, and then I went ahead and took advantage of some end of season sales that are crazy right now. There are some really good ones. I'll link them for you guys down in the description. Got some sneaker pickups. Something came in from Puma. A lot of great stuff in this video. I'm gonna run through it all real quick. First up, one of the few pairs of Asics that I have in my collection. I always wanted a pair of the salmon toes, the Kith and Ronnie Fieg collab. You have to appreciate this shoe. Beautiful. Whoa. Polo, Ralph Lauren. The sale over there a couple weeks back, stellar. I went ahead and grabbed this Sherpa jacket. Look at this color combination right here. Come on, man. This is like a Columbia jacket from the 90s with the turquoise, the purple, the pink, and then this crew neck I couldn't avoid. I love this graphic right here. The polo bear riding the horse. Only gripe I have, the quality of the shirt, it's a midweight to more so lightweight. Next up, Uniqlo. I found this jacket for the low. What was this, 20? I'm sure some of you know that White Mountaineering did a collab with Uniqlo. This is one of my favorite pieces from that collection. I think it was 22 bucks. And the Sherpa Chronicles continue. Urban Outfitters. This is my second Sherpa from Urban Outfitters. I showed you guys the other one. It's somewhere around here. It's this landscape design. This one is more of a abstract plaid. These you should definitely buy on sale. These Sherpa jackets are all the rage right now, and I love them. They're so cozy, right up my alley. Bring me more. All right, what else we got? The J.crew sale, always so clutch for the menswear pickups. You know you gotta get that end of season flannel. I got 3 things. These were all super cheap, like couldn't turn it down. Oh, this is soft. This is soft. Very classic design right here, but what got me is the inclusion of yellow. And then I went left. A little corduroy action here. I saw that they were mixing corduroy with camo. Throw any boots on with this, a Carhartt beanie, and you are so New England. You are so New England. I've really been liking Sherpa jackets, but just as much, I've been into cardigans. Look at this guy I got for the low. This is probably my favorite pickup so far, a nice menswear addition to this video. Okay, real quick, Puma sent me a package that I can't look past. They included all of their basketball sneakers. These Mellows, I've heard good things. If you guys have played in these, let me know your thoughts. I already know that these are gonna be good. Nightwing gave them high praise, and once he puts his stamp of approval on them, it's good enough for me. Speaking of Nightwing, grab some Move insoles. I'll probably toss them in that pair. You know, at my old age, I need a little bit something extra than what they include in their shoes, so I'm gonna give these a go. Shout out to Nightwing. Then we've got the 2K Court Riders, little collaboration here. I believe these are only 100 bucks. Not a bad option if you're looking for an affordable basketball shoe. I don't know anything as far as specs go. I just know I like traction, I like comfort, I need impact protection, and Puma has done a good job in all those categories. And then they gave a boatload of clothes. I'm not gonna go through everything. Some shorts here, and then this matching top. I don't know if it's a crew neck or what. Yep, crew neck sweatshirt. Nice quality on here. What's this? Got some sweats here with the patches all throughout. And then the last pair of shoes, the Fusion Nitros. Now, as far as performance reviews on this shoe, I've heard mixed reviews. I've heard people say these are amazing. I've heard of instability issues, so I'm not really sure what the deal is with them. I haven't played in them yet, but I'll figure it out myself. Big shout out to Puma. I'm excited to play in all of these. If you're interested in any of the pairs, I'll link them for you down in the description. Down in the comment section, if there's any big sales going on right now, leave it so that we can visit it as well. Just wanted to be brief with this. I'm gonna use these items in future content. If you wanna follow me on Instagram, I'm at EddieWinKicks. Hit that thumbs up button for me one time. Subscribe if you're new around here. Hope you guys enjoyed this one and it wasn't too all over the place. Peace.